Hello guys, today's problem is find the highest altitude. So there is a biker going on a road trip of n plus 1 points at different altitudes. The biker start his trip on a point 0. Will the altitude 0? You are given an integer array gain of length n minus n and gain of I indicate what net gain in the altitude from the point previous one from I to I plus 1 and I is greater than or equal to 0 and less than n. We need to return the highest altitude of a point. So let's look at the given example. Gain is this and we need to return the highest altitude of a point, of a point. So we need to check the elevation from just behind, like this one, like when we pick a element, let's suppose this one 5, how much this 5 got elevated from the previous one? -4 means how much time how much stairs from the 5 I need to go on that level -4. I need to decrement to -4. And same if so, basically we need to find the prefix sum here. How we noted this concept? So here we are just adding the gain from the previous one. So basically when we starting from the point 0, from point 0 we are going to the -5. This point is -5. Now from the 5 it goes up 1. Now from 1 it is going where? It is going at 5. And from the 5 where it is going? It is going 0, means he is a biker is running horizontally only. And from this again a decrement, minima we can say -7, and it stop. So basically we need to return the highest altitude of a point. So what is the highest altitude of the point? So basically we need to find the first of all altitude of a point, altitude of every gain. We need to find altitude of a point of every gain. So how much initially starting from the 0, how much he is getting gain, or gain can be positive or negative. So here we have negative gain, so -5. From -5 it is going where? 1. Okay, from -5 how much he got the gain? This is a positive gain, so -5 plus 1 is -4. And from 1 where it is going? From the -4 where it is going? 5. So -5 plus 4, this is a positive gain, so this will return us 1. And from the 1 means from this point it is going to 0th level. So from 1 it is going to 0th level. We are adding the all gains. So here it is 1, and from 1 again it is going where? -7. This is a negative gain, so it will be -6. So from all the gains means we are saying 0, -5, -4, 1, 1 and -6. Which is the maximum highest altitude? We can see 1, so we will return 1 as an answer. So basically what we are doing here is we are doing the sum. Basically we are finding the prefix sum of this array. The concept here using is prefix sum of the array. So we are finding the prefix sum of every point. As altitude means distance from the 0th level, distance from zeroth level, which is given as a gain array, and we need to find the elevation of every point from the previous one. How much the point is elevated? It can be positive, it can be negative. Okay, so we are switching to the code now. So the code is here. So in this code, what are we need to find? First, prefix sum of the gain array. So for our answer is max of 0, which is our 0 initial altitude of the biker is 0, and we are taking maximum from the both first, so that we can start from the first index, because we need to look back. So we are taking the 0th level and the initial 0th level maximum initially, and after that we are taking and looking back again and again to the -1, I -1, and we are adding the gain. It can be positive, it can be negative, and we are adding all the gains in this prefix sum array, and at every point we are checking the maximum of both, and after that we are returning. So the time complexity here is O of n, and the space complexity is also O of n. Thank you.